What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, what we mostly talk about on this channel is affiliate marketing, but also how to invest your money and keep it so that you can get the freedom that you deserve in your life back. So with that being said, if at any point in this video you like this video or get any value whatsoever, make sure you like this video, comment whatever was your favorite part. Give me one of these, and obviously you want to subscribe so that the algorithm gods are happy, I'm happy, I can help as many people as possible, I grow this channel, and you get more and more value as you deserve. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video and how to make money on Instagram in 2022 and probably beyond. So if you're interested in that, stick around until the end because I've got plenty of value to give away and you do not want to miss out on any of it. So with that being said, what do you do to make money on Instagram in 2022? Well, first you want to find a product, and I talk about this on TikTok as well. You always want to start with the product. I'm not going to tell you to start with the niche because starting with a niche is going to get you all over the place. It's going to be very hard for you to get to where you want because you really want to start with a product. So how to find a product? Well, there's plenty of different ways to find a product, but there's two things that you want to look out for. One is it's a high ticket offer. A high ticket offer is really good because if you make $1,000 per sale, you only need to make three grand a month. So that's really good. The second thing that you can look out for is if it's a recurring offer. So that means it's a monthly subscription or something like that, and you pay every single month. And that way, you as an affiliate, you also get paid every single month. So these are two things that you can look out for. You can choose any which one you like. I like to promote both of them, but I focus mostly on the high ticket offer because that is what's going to keep you going, get you believing in what you do. But when you have a high ticket offer, you're not going to sell $1,000 product, $2,000, $3,000 product on the front end. You're obviously going to sell something that's a lot cheaper and then offer your clients, if they're happy about the cheap product on the front end, that they buy something on the back end. So that's called a value ladder. That is really good. So that's number one. And we're going to dive into Instagram soon, but I want to get the basics down so you get to choose the product. And by the way, if you're interested in learning the building blocks of affiliate marketing, if not everything in this video makes sense, make sure you click on the link in the description, first link, and that will get you the building blocks. So first you start with a product, really good product, the product that you like, that you actually use or that you've been through, that has helped you in some kind of way. You might not have any results yet, but you're building up to them and you know that you got a ton of value from that product if it's a course, or you use that product if it's software, and you don't want to have a physical product. Physical products to make money are extremely hard because you have to manufacture the product every time it goes out. Obviously not you, but the company, so they're not able to pay you as much money as if you just started out. So that's number one. Choose a good product. It's either a high ticket product or a recurring product. Make sure you get the high ticket commissions as well, and you also get or you get the recurring commissions month after month, because if it's a subscription based product, it doesn't mean that they're going to pay you every single month. Maybe they'll just pay you $4 to get people in the door and that's it. So make sure you get paid every month if it's a subscription product, and that you get a high commission if it's a one-time sale. So that's number one. Now that you've done that, you want to create a sales funnel. Now, I talked about this in my last video, I believe. I think it was my last video, maybe it was the one before. Anyway, I talked about making a sales funnel, so I'm just going to go over it quickly. On the first page, what you want to have, so a sales funnel is not as complicated as it might sound. It's just a 2-page website where your potential clients go through and hopefully buy at the end. They don't have to, so not everyone's going to buy. It's not 100%, but it will be a lot better. So the reason why you want to have a sales funnel first, before I explain what it is if you send people straight to a sales page, they'll be very confused because you'll send them from Instagram. They'll go to that sales page. It's not you anymore. They don't understand what's going on. So it's going to be very difficult for them to actually make this work, or to actually not get confused. And it's going to be very hard for you to actually make some money, because a confused buyer is not a buyer. And let me say that again, a confused buyer is not a buyer. So instead, what you want to do is explain to them what's going to happen on the next page and on the next page, so that they understand that on the page after that, it's not going to be you, but they expect it, and it's not that big of a deal. So on the first page, where you send them to is to enter the name and email. Why do you want the name and email? You obviously want, especially their emails, but that is because you want to send them some automated emails. Now, the automated emails is not going to be something extremely pushy, or telling them buy this, buy this, buy this, because that's just trying too hard, and people don't like that. Instead, you want to educate them on the product when you send them those automated emails. Introduce yourself so that you're relatable, and have the link at the end in case they want to check it out, but they don't have to. So on the introduce yourself. Maybe if you know the things that they don't like, maybe people will send you some emails. Very few people do, but some will send you some emails with the concerns and things like that. So all you have to do is respond to those emails, but also think about this. If one person sends you this, probably 1,000 other people have the same issue on why they're not buying. Maybe, they're asking if they have to buy something that's massively expensive on the back end. You say, there's something, there are some upsells, but you don't have to buy them. That's what I typically answer, because that's the truth on the products that I'm promoting. But you just answer the questions. But on the automated emails, you also want to address these questions, because most people won't bother to ask you. They'll just quit. But if you answer that question and they're concerned about that, then they're happy to go on and buy the product. So just a subtle, if you want to start, there's the link, but this is what I wanted to talk about. This is me. I hope, don't hesitate to contact me, so that they understand that they have someone on the back end. So that's one thing, the automated emails. So that's on the first page. You ask people to enter the emails. That is the very first page. Then, when they click on next or go forward or something like that, they go to the next page. On the next page, you're going to add some testimonials, talk about yourself, and introduce yourself, tell them what you're going through, what you went through, how you achieved whatever the problem they're trying to solve is, and things like that. So that's the second page. And then, you're going to make a video introducing the product, telling them about the product, and saying that if they click on next, it's your business partner, your affiliate partner, whatever you want to call them. It's not going to be you anymore. You're going to send them to a sales page. Now, people might get concerned when they hear sales page, but they expect you to sell something at this point. So when you tell them that on the next page it's not going to be you, they expect to land on a sales page. So that's what happens. They click on next. That's where you put your affiliate link, and hopefully you'll get a sales video on that, or a sales page or something like that, a sales script. Hopefully a sales video. This is the best to do. So now that we've gone all through that, you've got your sales funnel, you've got your product, then you actually want to start to make some content. Now, what you want to do to make money on Instagram is go to TikTok. Yes, you heard that right. And there's a very simple reason for that. Because TikTok started off with, what they have, TikToks, Instagram started to make Instagram Reels. And Instagram Reels are just a copycat of TikTok videos, basically. But they end up having the trends that come after TikTok. So if you start on TikTok and you see all these videos of people, you want to make the same kind of videos. So you want to have the hook, the hook is where it stops the people from scrolling. Example, how to make $3,000 in 2 weeks, something like that. Obviously, you want to be realistic, but you also want to stop people from scrolling. So something that's really strong. Maybe you haven't made 3,000 grand this month, but you know it's possible, so you can say, did you know it was possible to make $3,000 a month? Something like that. Then you tell the story, so that story can keep people interested. So tell them that they don't have to deal with clients, create products, deal with customer support, ship products, or anything like that. Don't have to build a team. All of these things are true with affiliate marketing, and obviously this can work with any niche, but we're talking, I'm just using my example, and what I do is I teach people how to do affiliate marketing. So that goes through. You tell them that, and then you have a call to action. So click the link in my bio, follow for more, something like that. So then, now that you've got a few ideas on what to do, there's two things that you can do. One, you can create TikTok videos, because TikTok videos are the best in my opinion. And then what you can do is use Snaptic.app. So just type that in your browser. I'll put a screenshot up on the screen. I'll put a screenshot up on the screen, and you copy that, and then you just save it to your images, and then you go to Instagram, you open your browser, your Instagram, you type in reel, well, you make a reel, plus, and then reels, and you just use that. And then once you've done that, you go to the end, you tell them to DM you any questions, like for more, and double tap or something like that. Double tap is really easy. That's what I do. These are the three that I do. And then underneath you want to have the hashtags. Now the hashtags can be very simple. What you do is you go to a website, which I forgot what it's called, but I will put it up on the screen, and you just type in your niche. So affiliate marketing, for example, weight loss, digital marketing, whatever you want to type in, and then it will give you the best hashtags to work around if you want to, for that specific niche. And these are the best, so you just copy and paste. Obviously you want to look out if there's something that's not congruent with you or something like that. There will be a few keywords that you don't want in there because it's just not your niche or something like that. It really depends, but on the whole it's going to be some really good hashtags. So you just want to copy them, paste them, and then you're done. Now that's if you're posting on TikTok. If you're doing this on Instagram directly, you still want to go to TikTok and get the ideas, but then you can go to Instagram straight away and do the exact same thing on Instagram. And then you can make sure that you share all your reels on your stories, and then you can add the link to your sales funnel, and then you're done. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me one of these. Also subscribe, ding that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.